Well, hello and welcome back right here to JJ's PC Builds. JJ here once again. We're going to have a little bit of a good show for you today. We're going to go ahead and discuss in detail a little bit the Adrenalin, the 22.10.1 on the settings, so that way y'all understand how the settings work. Now the settings are set for the way I have it set at 1080p. And we won't make it a long video, but we'll make it a little shorty video, so that way y'all can see what's going on. But let's do this B-roll, and we'll be coming back to you. So do enjoy yourself right here at JJPC Builds. And welcome back. I hope that B-roll didn't keep you all too long. Okay, this is the deal. We're just going to jump right in real quick, and we're going to get through this really fast. We're going to go ahead and pull this up right here. We're going to start off at the home page like you all do in the beginning. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the gaming, and then we're going to go to the graphics tab. But instead of going to the graphics tab, we're going to go up here to the start of it all, the system. See how I got the system set up right here? Check for updates automatic. It's issue detection enabled. That's pretty much in the system. There's nothing really much else you need to do there. Graphics wise, anti-lag is off. Radeon chill is off. Radeon boost is on. And the minimum resolution is set at 50%. So just to let you know, I set it at the minimal at 50%. Image sharpening is on. That's set at 80%. Enhanced sync is off. I don't think I need a vertical sync. So that's pretty much, everybody says it's for tearing and lag, and I say it's more or less going to lag you than tear, the way I look at it. So I don't see any tearing anyway, so I don't need it on. So frame rate is off, and if you go down the list, you'll see everything that I got on and off. The only ones that I turn on in this list is the surface format optimization. Everything else is set application setting right here, and going on down the list, all you got to do is look. We'll leave that shot right there for you for a few seconds. If not, pause the video and you can see that's how I got it going on. Now, let's go to the display side. And this is the shot y'all can take. You'll see that I got pretty much everything off in this section. Pretty much everything off. So, there's not much to it in this section. Yes, I got two monitors. I got two monitors right here, display 1, display 2. So that'll let y'all know that I am running two monitors on this integrated graphics. Integrated graphics. Now, let's go to the next section. It's set at default. Hotkeys are set the way they come out of the box. Link I don't use. Performance, pretty much how you see it. I got it set at 0.25 for the sampling intervals. This way it shows me 0.25 seconds every move that my processor and my iGPU is making. So I see everything. And that's the way I roll with it. Preferences is pretty much there. You can pause the video to take a look, and nothing's really going to change, but all in all, that's it. There's not much to it. If you want to tune it, they got a default tune and a overclocking GPU tune. Okay, so you can overclock the GPU from here, but it's not really going to do me any good because I've already overclocked it into the BIOS. So this is just like an extra little boost, supposedly. But from what I see, all this does is absolutely nothing. Unless you got a discrete graphics card. So it does absolutely nothing. Just like MSI Afterburner, with an iGPU, you'll be lucky that it'll actually work. Now, I've got the 5600G. MSI Afterburner does not work with this integrated graphics. And AMD's Boost does not work with the integrated graphics. So basically, if you want a boost, go into your BIOS and set it up to the max. There's your boost. So if you're wondering, that's how I got the boost, is out of the BIOS. But all in all, this is just basically a monitoring tool for me. There's not much more to the 2210 one. So there it is. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's just going to be a short little video on how to do it. So make sure you like and subscribe. If you like my videos, subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers. It'd be much appreciated if you help us and you subscribe and you watch all the videos from beginning to end. That will give us time on our agenda here. The thing is this: in order for YouTube to recognize us as creators, we have to fulfill like a small contract. It's basically, we need 1,000 subscribers and we need 4,000 watch hours from YouTubers. So, but not just us, it's basically the YouTubers have to watch our videos for at least 4,000 hours. Not each one, it means everybody in a whole, everybody that's in the organization. So until we can get there, we got to work hard and we got to make as many videos as we can so we can just keep it going, keep it rolling, and show you guys that we're not giving up. We're just beginning, and we're going to keep rolling until we reach those goals. And then after those goals, I will tell you where we're going to go from there, which is going to be even greater than it is now. So all in all, like and subscribe would be much appreciated. I'm going to go ahead and jump out of here. Until the next video, we will see you then. So have a great day.